So every programming language starts with printing hello world in the console screen. That is the first step that is the first step which we do while learning a new programming language. So how can we do that in Python? In Python, simply using the print function, we will be printing something in the console, and this print function starts with a new line. So let me make a file, and I'll be naming it as new line dot py. So if I say that print, and then I say hello, and in this hello, that is the user given string, can be printed using a double quotation, or it can easily be achieved using a single quotation. So in the first line I have used the double quotation. In the second line, what I will be doing is that I will be clicking in single quotation. So I will be writing, say, suppose Bharat. Okay, so my Visual Studio Code is showing some to some updates which it has downloaded from the internet. I don't need to install all the stuff. So what I will be doing is that print hello Bharat. Let's see what happens if I print this, execute this line of code. Let me go to the terminal and write CLS to clear out the console. After that, I will be printing that, say suppose I will be writing Python to execute the code. I will be writing Python and then new line dot py, and okay, not new line dot py, yeah, it was new line dot py and it didn't print anything. Fine, let me run the code once again. Okay, it still didn't print anything. New line dot py. Okay, so what might be the error? So let me change the Bharat to, say suppose this one, double quotation. Let's see what happens now. Control S, save the file and run the file one more time. Okay, hello Bharat. So see, as I have already told you that practice makes everything perfect. So in this particular video which I am showing to you, I can clearly show you that strings in Python can be easily enclosed within a double quotation or a single quotation. So you have to be consistent all throughout the program that what you are using. So I was doing, say, hello was written in double inverted commas, and this print of the second line Bharat was being used using single quotation. So that's why it was not printing anything. Now I can change this hello to single quotation. Let's see what happens. Okay, single quotation. Fine. This is the single quotation. Let me press Ctrl S to save from the mic. Save this file and then run the file one more time. See, hello Bharat. So you have to consistent. So a few minutes earlier, as I have already told you, that you need to practice by yourself in order to grip hold of the language which you are working on. So in Python, in this particular topic, which I have the problem which I have faced and eradicated is that if you are using print function, you can either use a double quotation to enclose your user given string and show it to the console, or you can use that particular string using a single quotation. But be consistent. If you are using a double quotation, keep it in mind that you will be using single quotation all throughout the program, and if you are using a double quotation, you will be using the double quotation all throughout the program. So print hello Bharat. Hello Bharat has already been printed. So print function starts with a new line. So let me press a comma and end equals to, I'll be giving a dash. Within this single quotation there is a space. So what this thing does is that it prints the output in a single line. Print function starts with a new line, but if we press end equals to something, then that line will be appended to this first line. So let me run the file one more time and let's press enter and see what happens. It shows hello Bharat. So welcome to Python. This is the first video tutorial for Python. If you are new to Python, this is the first program you should do, and after that you will be working on with logical operators, then range, then list, then tuplets, then dictionaries and all those stuff. And by time as time goes on, I will be working on those stuff and showing you guys the problem which I faced and the way I eradicated the problem. But as of for now, this is the first video tutorial. The first video which demonstrates how you can easily print hello world in Python. Thank you all guys. This was all about this short video tutorial. Happy coding.